Let's say you bought your first crypto. Welcome to the crypto space. Now you need a safe and easy-to-use place to keep it – a crypto wallet. It's a hardware or software to store, no, not your assets, your private and public keys. But let's start from the very beginning. What happens when you tap the Create Wallet button? Your seed phrase is generated from a list of 2048 words. It's a phrase granting access to your wallet. The seed phrase is used to derive private and public keys and addresses. Compare a wallet to a bank account. Its number is like a public key. You share it to let someone send you money. But your PIN is like a private key. You use it to access your funds and never share it. Again, a crypto wallet does not store funds. They are held on the blockchain and never leave it actually. Your wallet stores the keys which allow you to access, send, receive, and exchange crypto. There are a few types of wallets you need to know about. Cold crypto wallets run offline. These are a piece of paper, a flash drive, and other hardware. Hot wallets access the internet. Mobile apps, desktop ones, and web extensions are examples. Custodial wallets allow third parties to access your keys. A wallet in your centralized crypto exchange account works like this. Non-custodial ones give access to the keys only to you. It's a go-to solution for storing and managing crypto. With many wallets, you can track your crypto profile, make transactions, browse the apps, store and manage NFTs. To sum up, a crypto wallet is a gateway to your crypto. Keep it safe. Follow our top 9 security tips. Subscribe for more crypto tips and how-tos.